To get the table of cell growth, I'm going to use Excel. It's just going to make things a lot faster. To start with, I've gone ahead and I've put in number of hours and number of cells, and notice mine goes vertically instead of horizontally like in the lesson. It just makes it easier in Excel to work with it, in my opinion. You can set it up either way, it doesn't matter. So I've put in the first 5 half hours and the number of cells. So 100, then it doubled to 200, then it keeps doubling. Now I'm going to use my Excel to help me fill in the rest of my cells. So first, I'm going to highlight 2 cells in my number of half hours and copy that down until I get to 72. The reason I copy 2 cells is because that tells Excel how much I'm increasing by. Let's see, and there's 72, so we'll stop there. If I didn't, and I just copied 1 cell, it's just going to copy that number over and over again. You can see that over there in the side there, it's just copying 5, and I don't want to do that. I want it to increase by 1. Okay. To get my number of cells, I'm going to click on the cell next to the number 6, and we're actually not going to use that 6 in my reference here for my equation, because what's happening is it's doubling here. So actually I'm going to say equals, and I'm going to take the cell above, and I'm going to multiply by 2, because that's what's happening. This number is going to be multiplied by 2, and then I'm going to hit enter, and that'll give me my new value. And then I'm just going to use my cell function and copy down all the way down to that 72 to get my answer. Now this answer is going to be given to me in scientific notation because it's just such a big number. If we wanted to actually see the number, you can see up here I have it set to general. If I change that to just number, it will give me the actual numbers without scientific notation. I'm going to have to make my cell wider to be able to see all those numbers. So you can see it's a really large number there that we have. So that right there, that answer would be how many cells we're going to have after a day and a half of that bacteria. Now you can see why colds, they get worse really fast, because it doesn't take very long for those cells to increase. Hope this helped.